More people are lending a hand to Bantay 163 in their own simple ways. Our donors have made life better for children in need.
Through the help of its generous sponsors, Bantay Edukasyon has been able to send hundreds of underprivileged children to school for years now. In a recent opening assembly, Bantay Edukasyon welcomed a number of new scholars as even more sponsors made a commitment to support the program. Meanwhile, Krispy Kreme, Brothers Burger, Julie's Bake Shop, and Aquasoft provided refreshments for the scholars and their parents during the meeting. More than the snacks for the day, the scholars say the kind gesture is enough to keep them energized and motivated for the school year ahead.
Maraming salamat po sa Krispy Kreme, sa Brothers Burger, sa Julie's Bake Shop, and sa Aquasoft. Malaking bagay po yung donasyon nila ngayon para sa mga scholars at sa mga magulang na umattend ng aming Bantay Edukasyon Opening Assembly. Sana wag po kayong mapagod sumuporta sa Bantay Bata.